Question 7 says, a car travels 200 meters in 10 seconds. Okay, so the distance, try to fish them out, is 200 meters, and the time taken is given to be 10 seconds. What is the average speed? So the average speed is equal to distance divided by time, and this is equal to 200 divided by 10. This is equal to 20 meters per second. Your unit must be there. Okay, never you omit your unit. So 20 meters per second, and this is your answer. If you multiply, the answer is there. If you add them together, you get the answer. If you divide, you also get the answer. So you need to know which is the actual thing to do.